Welcome to First Look, brought to you by Digi-Key and Maxim Integrated. Mobile devices, handhelds, wearables, smartphones, tablets, and other battery-powered devices are part of our everyday life. Safely charging the lithium-ion and lithium polymer batteries commonly used in these devices is critical, as overheating or overcharging can lead to damage or even ignition of the battery. Maxim's MAX17301 and MAX17311 are pack-side fuel gauges that combine industry-leading fuel gauge accuracy and advanced two-level protection in a compact, easy-to-use IC. The IC's primary protection uses a pair of high-side MOSFETs to cut off the battery based on voltage, current, and temperature thresholds for charging and discharging, with the ability to fine-tune voltage and current thresholds for different temperature ranges. If the IC detects a failure of the primary protection, it activates the secondary protection to permanently disable the battery and prevent damage. Maxim's model gauge M5EZ algorithm provides the highest state of charge accuracy by combining the advantages of a Coulomb counter and a voltage-based fuel gauge, and it does so without the need for battery characterization. Instead, designers enter battery parameters into the IC's registers. This can save weeks during the design cycle and with an error less than 3% in over 97% of use cases. Designers can easily evaluate performance and optimize settings using the MAX17301 and MAX17311 evaluation kits and software. For popular devices, counterfeit batteries can damage a brand's reputation due to reduced battery life or unsafe operation. To prevent this, MAX17301 and MAX17311 integrate SHA 256 authentication functions to protect against counterfeiting and cloning, providing each battery with unique and dynamic keys to authenticate with the host. The ICs also offer very low quiescent current draw, 24 microamps while active and 7 microamps with the FETs off. As a pack-side fuel gauge and protector, minimizing IQ extends shelf life as well as runtime. See you next time on First Look.